Cake will ready. Look at
Cream.
King cream is about to ready. So we have came petrol pump. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm about to ready for taking shower, taking bath. And today I'm taking bath so early. Mostly I take bath evening time. But today I have a lot of work because today I will go to the temple, as well as I have plenty of professional work. So I will finish it. That is why I have to take bath. So as you can see, one of my towel is hanger from the across my shoulder. Look at. So even I didn't oh my god, I thought there's one of the cat behind the sofa here. That's why I got to stop mid of the speaking. I wanted to say at that time, even I didn't drink tea yet, but first I will finish my showering and after I will drink. So please connect with me and I will go one of the room. Oh, how do I look? Yeah, I look great. At my home, one of the big problem, when you will go to the take bath, at that time you have to encounter one of the problem, like you have to take water into the one of the drum we have, because the reason is that my roof one water of tanker is totally full of boil water because of sunlight always fall on the tanker of roof. So that is why we have to, guys, I have taken bath and as you can see, one of my towel is got tied around my head. So I tied because of water was coming on my face totally into my eyes. So first of all I have to wipe off my floor before coming off my mom. So I will wipe like this. I will show you. Oh my god, if my mom will come, so my mom will kill to me. Oh my god, I am unable to carry my mobile. I will do like this. Sometimes I am able to carry my mobile. What should I do? I will carry my mobile. How? I am able to understand what should I do. Okay. I will use my left hand and I will finish like this. I have to do within a minute. Reason is that my floor is totally full of water. If my mom will come, so she will kill to me. So I have to do before my mom comes. Before my mom come, I have to finish everything. Water got stuck here. I will use from the opposite side. And look at my turban. I'm taking enough time. I have to wipe off my body too. Within a minute. I'm taking enough time. So I have to find my cloth. Cloth is here. Okay. I'm going to wear my clothes after wiping off my body. I'm going to wipe off my body and I will keep my mobile somewhere. Okay, I think. So So guys, I have wear my shirt, as you can see. Is it okay now? Please, if is it okay now, so please write down in comment. So now I'm going to apply powder on my face. So I will keep my mobile somewhere like this. Oh my god, it was about to fall down. Okay, I will wipe off my face again. And I will take little powder. Just little, not so much. I don't apply so much powder because I will become like a ghost. Okay, it is okay now. I think it's enough for today. I don't want to apply so much powder. If I will apply, so I will become like a ghost. As you can see, guys. So now I'm going to turn around like this. I'm very adventurous. So guys, look at my face. This is the final result which I have gotten. As you can see, everything is okay now. I know everything is okay now. So as you can see, it was very hard work for me. Within minute I have done plenty of things, multi things. So you can give me the title of fast boy in the world. But you have to give by yourself. I don't want to give to myself. I don't want to give compliment to myself. You should give, guys. You must give compliment to me. I deserve compliment from your side. And I will appreciate that. Really. I will thank you, guys. I will thank you. So please give me compliment. So guys, we are going to buy cake. Today is my niece's birthday, so that is why we are going to buy cake. We have came petrol pump. We have lack of air in the tire, that is why one of my brother is waiting for air. So what you would like to say about weather right now? Say. This is the highway and we are in petrol pump. As you can see, guys, weather is good enough. I know, I don't want to talk about my address in my video. He's waiting for air because tire has lack of air, as you can see. We have problem in the tire. So now we are heading towards the cake one shop. I have to speak loud, reason is that I'm not using any devices for mic, so that is why. So guys, we are came in the cake shop, so we are waiting for our cake. We are choosing vanilla flavor one cake. As you can see the shop. We have given our order of cake, so we are about to departure from here. Cake will ready before evening, and look at what he doing there. This is the factory of cake, as you can see. Cake will ready. Look at cream. Cream is about to ready. So we will get our cake before evening, because reason is that we have to give first order and afterward we have to wait for our cake. This is the rule of this shop. It's not about this shop, it is about everyone's shop. It is about every shop. I am at home, guys. I came just few minutes ago. I would like to say thank you so much for watching this video. See you to my next one.
like song lyrics inspired by the idea of travel adventures.